Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You open the Vision IAS app and start by granting camera and storage permissions so image capture works. Do this now. Next, sign in with your email or single sign-on. That links your settings and stored models. Once done, check device compatibility, like camera resolution and OS version, because models rely on clear images. Also enable location and push notifications so the app can provide context-aware suggestions and real-time alerts. This avoids interruptions later. You frame the subject using the grid and focus tools, then capture with live mode or upload an existing photo. Hold the device steady to reduce blur. After capture, choose the analysis model and set the confidence threshold, for example, 0. 75 balances precision versus recall, then pick processing mode. Quick for drafts, full for final reports. When results appear, tap any detection to view metadata and provenance. If labels are wrong, use the edit tool to correct annotations so future models improve. You finalize by exporting the analysis as PDF or CSV, choosing resolution and whether to include metadata. Set a file naming template to keep records consistent. Then share results via link, email, or cloud storage, and make sure you manage access roles and set expiration dates if needed. If something goes wrong, recalibrate your camera, retake the image under better lighting, or reprocess with a higher confidence threshold. This troubleshooting step resolves most detection errors. If issues persist, restart the app and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.